Well, here I am back at the track again. I haven't ran in, I don't know, almost a week it seems like. Just hadn't really felt good enough to run, so got to get back in the running form again. So we've got a training schedule and got to stick to it no matter what. I say no matter what. Anyways, fixing to get my armband, crank up some Foo Fighters, and try to get at least a mile done.
Just finished 2 miles. That was my first run since last Thursday. It's Tuesday now, and as you guys probably know, we hiked 5 hours Sunday, so we skipped our 3rd run for the week. We've been trying to get 3 runs in, and honestly, just wouldn't have been smart. We probably would have injured ourselves because we were exhausted, and my ankles still feel a little flimsy, but that run felt great. I'm so glad we waited. That is what we're doing right now. We're just trying to get back into it, and I'm so thankful because I feel really good now.
So after yesterday's run, I decided that I have got to like ramp up the mileage or the amount of times that I go run. It's still a struggle. I just did like 1.04 of a mile, so like 1 mile, and it was rough, and man, it absolutely sucks to gain like 20 to 30 pounds and stop doing this and then trying to start back up. Man, it's brutal. But anyways, it's humid as all get out, which is what we're going to be looking at for the next couple months anyways. But you know, I'm just trying to plug away and get back to where I can start running multiple miles each run and not feel bad. That was definitely by far the worst run I've had since we've started doing this. Yeah, it was hard to even get a half a mile. I tried to go through it, but it's just not today. It wasn't happening. But this was the 3rd day in a row that I have ran, so it just added a little bit more to my weekly total. But anyways, I don't know. This is so far has been so much harder than I thought it was going to be. It's definitely harder than when we started doing this a few years ago. I don't know what it is. I guess age, weight, and just lack of working out for so long, I guess, is kind of bottleneck all into one big problem. But I'll just keep hammering away and start making gains hopefully soon.
I definitely pushed it today. 2 miles. It's hot. I just wanted to push myself, so I did. Whew. All right, guys, we just got back from our camping trip, barely walked into the door, and decided that we were gonna go on our long run before we finally got a shower after a hot, humid camping trip. But 4 miles is what I'm about to do. What are you about to do?
Whatever I can.
Whatever he can. So long run Sunday, coming for you. Completed it, got the 4 miles. I'm not going to lie. That last mile I hit a wall, but I pushed through. It was kind of hard, but this was supposed to be just an easy run and add on an extra mile for the week just to up my miles. Trying to do that gradually, and I did it, and I'm pretty sure Wade tacked on extra miles this week, so he did it as well. Yeah, I actually felt like I was thriving up until that last mile, so this week was absolutely a win, especially compared to last week. What'd you get?
I stopped at 1.2.
Yeah, but
and felt great.
Yeah, I saw you and I was like, dang, he's gonna keep going, but the sun came out probably about that time that you stopped, because the last 3 miles was sunny. It was overcast, there was no sun, and it was like just a tiny little bit of breeze when we started, and then it just got rough. But it's almost 10 o'clock, so it's expected. It's supposed to be 95 today. Yep. But we got our run done. We're so excited, and that would be another win for us for running week number 4. Thank you guys for following along. Hope you guys are enjoying. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.